How y'all doing, man? It's your boy Julius with the Bill Wealth Academy. I'm here with my main man, Carlos. See, Carlos made millions of dollars in the network marketing space. He's a part of the Bill Wealth Academy community right now. And I just got a few questions for you, Carlos. What would you say joining the community? How would you say the community was able to help you kind of just, as far as credit, funding, and all of that?
Well, first and foremost, man, I want to thank you, Julie, man, for just even introducing me to the platform.
Yes, sir.
Because I was searching for someone that could just be 1,000% with me when it comes to my credit.
Right.
Credit is very important, and a lot of people are trying to get it done and get it fixed.
Yes, sir.
They just don't have the resources and the blueprint to success to get it done.
Right.
But the community was really helpful with me because it gave me step-by-step process on how to really do it and go about it myself.
Yes,
I mean,
sir.
you did give me options to have you guys actually professionally do it as well, but I wanted to learn how to do it as well so I could actually share with others, and that's what I've done. I told other people, hey, listen, you want to definitely link up with Julius because this is the way that you start getting credit. So with that being said, man, I appreciate just being a part of the platform. People are very helpful in the platform. If I ask a question, they always answer. So the platform is definitely something that you want to get access to and start utilizing to get your credit to even a higher level.
Awesome. That was well said. Everybody out there, let's say for everybody, all the individuals that's out there that want to join the community but a little skeptical, what would you say? And but before you answer that question, Carlos brought a lot of individuals in the community. He recommend people each and every day. Right now, we're in process of getting so many individuals that he sent capital, and that's going to change their life. But what would you say, Carlos, as far as individuals that want to get access to capital or leverage their credit that's a little skeptical? What would you tell those individuals out there?
I would say that that's something that you definitely would want to go full force with. And with that being said, you definitely want to connect with yourself, Julian, and understand that dealing with someone that has knowledge of getting credit done and getting funding is what you want. So I would definitely and highly tell someone to definitely get with you and make sure that they connect with you. That's one of the reasons why I've brought so many people to you, because I know the work that you've already been able to do.
Right.
So guys, here's what I'm saying. I tell people all the time, don't get started now, get started right now.
Right. Awesome. Well, this was a great conversation, Carlos. Look forward to doing amazing more work with you, and let's just keep pushing. And until we help a lot of individuals, that's what it's all about.
Thanks again, buddy.
Awesome. And I'll see you guys at the top.